I get it. A lot of you are hearing the ringing sounds, the buzzing sounds, the swishing sounds, and it's just not getting any easier. In fact, it's getting worse. I have an easy technique that you can do anywhere you are, in the comfort of your home, on walks, or just as you sit there and watch this video. We're going to take our hand, we're going to place it anywhere on the ear, in the middle, down where the earlobe is, doesn't matter. Find a good grip on both your ears, and we're literally just going to shake our ears back and forth like this, okay? We're going to create some good blood supply here to the area. Something called hyperemia, which is basically adding more blood to a certain portion of our body. In this sense, we're going to add blood supply to our ears, and we're shaking our ears. And now what I usually do is I shake the ears a little bit, I kind of go in a fast motion, and then even sometimes I'll do circular motions. However you do it, you keep your ears going like this, stimulating those ears. What we're doing is we're stimulating the auricular portion of the vagus nerve, and we're adding hyperemia to our ear supply here, getting the blood flowing in that area. See, a lot of you are unaware is that, and as you stop, you'll notice some changes going on. There's a lot of nerves that go through our ears and around our body. But what I was saying is a lot of times we don't realize that when we're dealing with ear problems, it's not always just a matter of putting eardrops in our ears and nasal spray in our nose and like trying to solve these other issues. And sometimes it's a matter of just adding more blood to that area. We don't realize, but that is probably 8 out of the 10 times when you have ear problems, it's usually a lack of blood supply to the area. The ears are very challenging to get blood supply there. And if you're already dealing with colds and your sinus problems and infections and you're fighting flus and all these other problems that come in through the winter season, you're gonna make this condition even far less achievable. So what we need to do is continue to do this. Go in a circular motion, kind of go back and forth. Go kind of in a slower rate here. Go like kind of slower. Then you speed it up. Do this for about 30 seconds. I guarantee you, as you let go of those ears, you'll notice a change not only in your ears and the clarity of your mind, you're just gonna notice that there's a weight lifted off of you. Do this at least twice a day for 30 seconds each time, and you'll start to notice some very substantial improvements and changes in your body. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next video.